Hello guys, my name is Жанна, and today the topic of our video is direct and indirect object in Russian language. So, in Russian language we have direct and indirect object. Both of them can be in sentence in one time, and how to distinguish them and why we should distinguish them. So, let's see example. Я хочу купить Тане книгу. Where is the direct object? The direct object is книгу. Yes, here it's direct object. It's usually accusative case in sentence. Direct object indicated with accusative case. Today we will not speak about how to form accusative case because this is a big lesson in my course Russian cases. The question was how to distinguish direct and indirect object. So, the direct object receives the action of the verb. So here we have the verb купить. Купить it's a verb. Я хочу купить Тане книгу. Купить, buy. I want to buy book to Таня. So here я хочу купить что? Я хочу купить книгу. Я хочу купить что? What I want to buy. Купить что? It's a direct object. And indirect object is Таня. Таня it's indirect object. Answer to the question кому я хочу купить кому книгу? Тане, okay? It's dative case. We use dative case to form indirect object. It's a person to whom an action address. Here in our this sentence it's Tanya because it's for her. I want to buy a book, okay? Next example. Try to do it before I said the correct answer. Я пишу письмо другу. I write a letter to friend. Where is the direct object? Я пишу письмо другу. Я пишу что? What do I write? So, where is the word which receive the action? Письмо. Yes, it's письмо. Я пишу что? Я пишу письмо. And я пишу письмо кому? Кому я пишу письмо? Другу. Here it's indirect object. Она купила подарок сестре. She bought a present to sister. Она купила что? Она купила что? Она купила подарок. She bought a present. Она купила подарок кому? Кому? Сестре. Сестре it's indirect object. It's to whom she bought a present. To whom an action is done. To whom she bought a present. Папа купил мне машину. Окей. Папа купил что? Папа, father, bought me a car. Папа купил что? Папа купил машину. Что? Папа купил машину кому? To whom? Мне. To me. Here it's indirect object. Okay, as you noticed, the direct and indirect object, if they both in one sentence, the word order doesn't matter. So they can be, firstly can be direct object, then indirect object. As usually happen in Russian language, the word order doesn't matter and it doesn't change the meaning of the sentence crucially. Okay? Next example. Мы купили тебе подарок. We bought you a present. Мы купили что? What did we bought? Подарок. Подарок it's direct object, it's accusative case. Мы купили подарок кому? Кому? Тебе. It's indirect object, it's dative case. Иван пишет ей письмо. Иван is writing her a letter. Иван пишет что? Что? It's accusative, it's direct object. Иван пишет письмо. Иван пишет письмо кому? Ей. Ей it's indirect object. Answer to the question кому. And we use dative to express this indirect object. Бабушка читала нам сказки. Бабушка читала что? Сказки. It's direct object, accusative case. Бабушка читала сказки кому? Нам. It's indirect object. It's dative case. Okay, the last sentence, try to do without me. Where is the direct object and where is indirect object? Thank you guys, subscribe, don't forget to put like, and see you in my next video. And don't forget to do a home task in comments. Write what do you think about this sentence. Я купила им книгу. Where is the direct and where is indirect object? And create 3 your examples. До встречи, пока!